So it's about, I'm on 4 o'clock maybe, 4:30. I'm on my way to do some errands. I figure I'll pass by to take a look. I come from that side, crossing the street here. Fun challenge, I guess. But anyway, people gather around outside the gate just to take a peek. I believe it's open tomorrow. I will cross the street afterwards. I guess they allow some folks to walk in just to take photos. But as far as walking along the streets in there, I don't think it's open yet. So this installation is gonna be from here all the way down to, I believe, the Nguyen walking street, which is, this is one of the end. So I guess we can walk along and see what's going on. I'm not sure what time it opens tomorrow, but I heard it opens tomorrow. Today is the 6th of February here in Vietnam time. So supposed to open on 7th of February. We'll see. I walk from that direction with all the cover along the side, so now this is a little bit opening. I can show you guys that still need to do some cleanup. They put flowers in here. I'm not sure what the blue thing cover are, but to be revealed tomorrow or when it's open. Looks like these are VIP related, able to go in, but I don't think we can go in. I can try, but people working, so I don't want to be in their way. There's a walkway over there, but I'm going to stay on this side because I have errands to do. This is cross street where I'm standing. Yes, people still working. Need to do cleanup. Wow, look at this. Looks like golden trees. So beautiful. Looks like gold leaves. Well, look at that. Right there, there's some more dragons. So. Look at all the birds sitting up there. All the pigeons. Interesting. Even the pigeons watching. This is the closest I can see before the opening to the public day. I can sneak in and take a look. Looks like there are people walking down there already. This is going to be very elaborate once it's open. I like the ceiling reflecting down the ground. I wonder it'll be very hot in the day when the sun shines upon, shining down. See, I'm at this corner here. As you can see, the workers still putting together a stage. So today is the afternoon. Supposed to open tomorrow. Like I said, we'll see. And I'm in front of Sunwa Tower. Even a phone booth. Interesting. What do they try to build here? Can anybody figure out what it is? See, these are the fake flowers that we see in the real flowers garden yesterday. Of course, those are real. The longevity flowers are real, but these are handcrafted. Yep, she's setting up. Look at the massive tail of the dragon. I'm not sure what I had over there, but look at the Chinese stage. Just go all the way down to check out the other dragons. I think it looks like there are 3 dragons. Okay, here we are again. The familiar corners of streets that I visit so often. I believe this is the end of the installation of the dragons. Let's go check it out from the other view. The other 2 dragons. Only a special reservation status to get in. I did try to walk in earlier, but they stopped me. So today is anticipating day. Okay, I need to go do my errand now.